Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking 2 recipes from this 1970s cookbook, the Betty Crocker Cookbook, for boys and girls. Isn't this a fun one? I love it. Well, we're making some exciting ones today. Let's do it. My first recipe is called eggs in Bologna Cups. There they are. Don't they look neat? Let's make them. I need to start by frying up some slices of bologna. And then they get pushed into a prepared muffin tin and make a unique shape. And then you crack an egg into each bologna cup. Add on a teaspoon of milk, a little black pepper, and some paprika. And I'm going to cook them at 375 for about 15 to 20 minutes until the eggs are set. And they should easily pop out of the muffin tin and onto a plate. Wow, isn't that unique? Bologna cups. It's a handheld treat. But how does it taste? Let's find out. It tastes like you think it's going to taste. Egg and bologna. I think the bologna's kind of salty, so it does make it extra salty tasty. But if you love bologna, this is the snack for you. I'm going to give it a 5.1 out of 10. I'm making cookies that utilizes ice cream. Let's try it. Grab a bowl. You need 2 cups of chocolate ice cream scooped into a bowl. And then you just let it thaw for a few minutes. I need 2 1/4 cups of Bisquick added to that ice cream. A 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix that until smooth. And mix in some chocolate chips. That's a nice dough. Place spoonfuls of that dough onto a cookie sheet. Then you cook them at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. This will be interesting. Ice cream in the batter? They still kind of look like ice cream. After 1 minute of letting them cool on the baking sheet, you're going to move them to a cooling rack. So interesting. Here we go. Very chocolatey. Does still kind of taste like ice cream. A fun gooey texture as well. Who'd have thought that you could make this out of ice cream? I think I'm going to give it a 7.6 out of 10. Wow. Just imagine what other ice cream flavors you can use. It was really cool getting to try 2 recipes from this cookbook. It is full of many, many exciting recipes. I couldn't believe how simple it was, and it made me feel like a kid again. What happens when you cover a tennis racket in ice cream? You get soft serve.